The 1932 Helicron is one of the most unusual automobiles ever built, representing a rare moment when aviation thinking directly shaped road vehicle design. Conceived and constructed in France in 1932, the Helicron used a front-mounted aircraft-style propeller instead of a conventional drivetrain. At a time when many surplus aircraft engines were available after World War I, some engineers believed that propeller propulsion offered a simpler and more efficient alternative to transmissions, drive shafts, and differentials. The Helicron was built on a Rosengart chassis, but the frame was rotated 180 degrees. This radical decision placed the engine and propeller at the front while moving the steering system to the rear wheels, a configuration almost unheard of in automobiles. Only the rear axle was sprung, the front end was rigid. The car used a lightweight wooden frame and body, minimizing mass and aligning with early aircraft construction principles. Originally, it was powered by an air-cooled flat twin engine directly connected to the propeller via the crankshaft, with no gearbox or transmission of any kind. The car was driven for only a few years before being placed in a barn by its original owner in the late 1930s, where it remained hidden through World War II and for decades afterward. In 2000, the Helicron was rediscovered in France and underwent a meticulous restoration. Many original components survived, including the frame, wire wheels, dashboard, steering wheel, steering gear, brake pedal, light switch, headlights, and identification plate. The wooden structure was sandblasted and treated, the steering mechanism rebuilt, and the interior reupholstered. The original engine was never found, so restorers installed a Citroën GS flat-4 engine from the 1980s. The propeller remains directly coupled to the crankshaft, meaning engine speed translates directly into thrust. Despite its exposed propeller, the Helicron passed French safety inspections in 2000 and was legally approved for road use. With a curb weight of roughly 1,000 pounds, 454 kilograms, it can reach speeds of about 75 miles per hour, 121 kilometers per hour, though acceleration is slow and hills can be challenging. Today, the Helicron resides at the Lane Motor Museum in Nashville, Tennessee, where it is maintained in running condition and occasionally demonstrated. As the only surviving example, the 1932 Helicron stands as a bold experiment in automotive history, equal parts ingenuity, risk, and mechanical curiosity, illustrating how radically different the future of cars once seemed.